Hey, it's Krista with the Traveling Addict. I just wanted to pop in and give you an update on the van. At this time, I feel like I'm basically just spending a lot of money and not doing any work on the van. And the reason for that seems to be if you are trying to build a van during COVID times, everything I order is backed up, back on backlog, or or it's just not available right now, or it's just taking a long time to get here. So at this time, I'm waiting on my insulation, I'm waiting on the window, all kinds of things. So I thought I'd give you a rundown on the money, and as I do the videos, I'm just going to carry over from the last video. If you want to see what I spent on the video before, then just go to the other video and watch it. I will do it this time. I'll start from the beginning, and then from now on I will start where I left off here. So I have spent $10,000 on the van, getting the tax title insurance, $220. I went and took it and had an oil change and had a checkup. It was $50. I bought the Maxi fan, even though I have not installed it. I'm waiting on the solar panels to make sure everything fits before I cut a hole in the roof. The Maxi fan is $280. I had an issue with the brakes where something was missing, a cable was broken or something, so that was $173. I bought 2 rolls of wool insulation from Havelock. That is on back order, and it was $286. Hopefully there'll be enough wool, we'll see. The rattle trap has come in. One box of it's $280. I'll be putting that on. If that's right, that sounds high. And I bought a Mr. Buddy for now because it is getting cold, and that was $106. I ordered a swivel for my passenger side chair so I can turn it around. That will be my lounge chair, my recliner. After I ordered it, they said that they don't have any in stock and they will let me know when it comes in. And I bought a window for the driver's side that will go over the sink area, and that was $565. And then I bought a toilet. I have decided to start simple. If I can't stand it, then I'll upgrade. So at this time I'm doing a basic Lugaloo. I bought the toilet seat at Walmart and a bucket at Lowe's, $12 for that. So I will start with that process. If it doesn't work and I don't like it, then I will upgrade it. But I would like to start simple and upgrade as I go. If I can handle it simply, why upgrade? That is where I'm at. So I just wanted to give a quick update, and I will let you know when I get some more work done. All right. Oh, good. Okay. So it has these. The top looks pretty good. So I'll have to buy the racks for these and then put the solar panels in. Oh, and you can see where the ribs go. Cool. All right. We probably could get 2 on one side, unless we can move it up to the front. Try to find a bit for the screws here, and all they gave me was the Allen wrench because we didn't have a bit for it. So I'm gonna see if I can get them off with the Allen wrench. So Crystal here with the Traveling Addict. Today I've been working on the van a little bit, and it's been one thing after another, just like it should be, huh? We couldn't find the bit to get these screws off, but apparently I got this side off and I've got it clean. I'm ready to put my rattle trap on there. Is that the name of it, rattle trap? Yeah. Let's see, today I got up on the roof and I took some measurements for the solar panels. I put one of my solar panels up there. I only have one I bought a long time ago when I was watching Bob Wells, and he said they were on sale, so I bought one. So I have that one. It's 100 watt, and I'll see what else they have to put up there. And I'm looking at the racks, what kind of racking to put up there to secure the solar panel. I've got the rattle trap, it just came in. Everything else is on order, and I got a window coming, it's on order. All right, that's it for today. Subscribe to my videos and you can follow along with my van build and all my hikes. Appreciate y'all watching. Thank you.